Hi, Mac Pierre-Louis here, attorney at law and mediator at Pierre-Louis & Associates, PLLC, a law firm in Houston, Texas, focused on civil and family law. Welcome to the Your Family Lawyer videos channel. Today, I want to discuss the holiday schedule for odd years and even years under a standard possession order in the state of Texas. All right, so if you're a parent who is a party to one of these orders, you might want to know what your rights are. So in even years like this year, 2018, for Thanksgiving, the custodial parent gets the child from 6 p.m. on the day school is dismissed for Thanksgiving break until 6 p.m. on Sunday, the day before school gets back in session. And if you're the non-custodial parent, then next year, the odd year, 2019, you will get the same opportunity. 6 p.m. the day that school is dismissed for Thanksgiving break until Sunday, 6 p.m. the day before school goes back that Monday morning. So that means you'll get an opportunity to spend time with your child, enjoy Black Friday, and do all those fun activities during Thanksgiving break. Now, for Christmas, it flips. So in an even year like this in 2018, the non-custodial parent will be the one to begin exercising his Christmas break. So for example, he will have the child from 6 p.m. the day school's dismissed for Christmas break until 12 p.m. noon on December the 28th, at which time the custodial parent gets the child from that period of time, 12 p.m. December 28th, until the 6 p.m. on the day before school goes back in January. And of course, next year, on the odd year, 2019, the custodial parent will be the one to begin exercising her Christmas break from 6 p.m. the day school goes out until 12 p.m. noon, December 28th, and when the non-custodial parent gets the child until the day before school goes back in January 2020. So it's a little complicated, but it does allow for balancing where both parents have the child. Now, what if you can't get your child? What if one of the parents is preventing you from exercising your period of time during the holidays with your kid? Well, the answer is very simple. You could send them a warning. You could alert them to the fact that you'll have to hire an attorney and enforce your rights through a motion for enforcement of possession and access. This is done routinely in Texas because unfortunately, some parents will not stand by the court's order and deny a parent their access. And this is very important to be discussed during the holidays. Why? Because sometimes parents make trips out of state and they buy airplane tickets, and you do not want to be the parent who loses out on plane tickets because the other parent refuses to turn over your child per the court order. So it's very important that you exercise your right to enforce the court order if you are denied possession and access. Now keep in mind, because it's during the holidays, you might actually not get into a courtroom before a judge to enforce your rights until the new year, until January. However, there may be circumstances where you could ask the court for an emergency hearing where the judge will give you an opportunity to be heard during the month of November or December so that you can expedite the enforcement process. But that's kind of rare. It all depends on your situation. So speak to a lawyer about that. Now, what if you don't have an order at all? At that point, you're kind of living in the Wild Wild West. I mean, it all depends on what the other parent and you can agree to. This is why it's extremely important that if you want to be able to see your child during the holidays, then you need a court order. You need a written document signed by a judge that gives you your right to enforce the terms of the order to allow you to see your child. Without one, you're basically living in he said, she said land, and you don't want that. So if you need an attorney, call one up and see how they can help you enforce your rights, see how they can help you get an order to begin with. All right, this is Mac Pierre-Louis. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to this channel, and happy holidays. Thanks so much.